Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to bring back keyboard character preview on your iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, so let's open settings and you have to go to general and scroll down until you see keyboard section, and here you should find option that says character preview and you want to toggle this on. So now let's test it out and open any application that will use my keyboard. I will use Notes application and just start typing. I will enter some random symbols so that you could see that above my finger, above the letter that I'm pressing, I see this key pop-ups. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. And if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.